Leadership Montla recently posted this video that makes me believe there is a new Forex trend up on the horizon. We're going to take a look at this video, make comments where it is necessary, but after the video, I'm very certain you guys should understand what's coming next in this industry. FBI, open up! Before I press play, please do smash the like button. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes and also share this so that other people can be aware of what's really going on.
Crazy, I'm in the gym right now and I'm thinking something that just started off as an idea when I was on tour. Somebody said to me, leadership, instead of just teaching on tour, please record your courses, create a platform where we can learn from you consistently. Then I went home and did that, and then we
I like how the ideas for platforms that generates income to these guys, I like how that is always the suggestion of someone else. That way, the direct blame cannot be placed on them because it's almost like they followed orders.
call it Next Gen Millionaires, and that has helped so many traders over the past couple of months. And now we're about to take another big step, introducing Next Gen Markets. Imagine a trading community.
Hey. So when doing my Black Crown Markets video, I realized that this might be a trend that is on the horizon. And this is where someone that is famous, well known, a celebrity, this is where they use their image and their influence to launch a platform. You will then be able to do your deposits through this platform. You will be able to trade through this platform. And it almost sounds like a broker, but it's not entirely similar to what Black Crown Markets is busy doing. And let's be real here, guys. This is Asheras Montla, the same guy who the FSCA warned us against in 2021. What did they accuse him of? They accused him of accepting deposits from members of the public and offering to trade Forex on their behalf to earn a profit. I mean, that is most like standard procedure of what is happening in this industry. And you'd be surprised. There's many people that say they don't do that, that undercover has serviced a few people that they are now trying to keep under wraps. Also, when you go to my website, which is where we are going to obviously search and see if Asheras Montla is a juristic rep or if he is FSCA regulated, you want to head on over here to FSP searches. You go to search and you type in his name. And this should pop up his records. And as you can see, there is no FSPs to match this filter. I mean, even in my broker section, I haven't included trade 245, or did I? Oh, I did. It's still pending a review. I will get to that as soon as possible. But I'm telling you guys, this is sus. You are gonna come back to me and then you're gonna tell me, my bro, we should have trusted you. But let's hear what there is to say furthermore.
You log into a platform and you can actually trade from it. You learn watching a course. While you're watching a course, getting live signals every single hour of the day, and you're actually able to fund your account there with Next Gen Millionaires inside Next Gen Markets. Implement the knowledge that you're getting.
How is this sounding like a broker, but it doesn't want to outright call it a broker?
If you asked me if this was the vision like a year ago, I wouldn't have agreed. In fact, 6 months ago, I had no idea that we would be making such crazy moves.
That I would like to call a lie on. It's either number one, he really sat over the course of these past years and figured out how he's going to move through this, which I highly doubt because Next Gen Millionaires is something that popped up recently. And when he says that, it's something that he hasn't thought about for years. He hasn't worked on this for years. This is something that just came to him overnight. I just want to say that is highly disingenuous for him to expect that people would now be sending money to a platform of someone that has got an FSCA regulation for something that he thought up overnight. Although Next Gen Millionaires might have popped up now recently, it's tough because these guys, they do not move without calculating how they are gonna move. Each move that they make needs to make perfect sense. When you take a look at it, the bigger picture, Next Gen Millionaires was a setup for Next Gen Markets. Why do I say that? Next Gen Millionaires is a trading community that was created by leadership. And we know in these private communities, whether it be conducted over a website, whether it be conducted over a WhatsApp group, over a Telegram group, the modus operandi stays the same. You stick with them a while so that you can gain trust in them. Then later on, they upsell you, which is most now what is happening here. And you won't feel anything strange. You will think and say for yourself, well, I've been following this guy for a while. I've been with him for a while. He is really transparent. Let me sign up to this broker that he is promoting here. And boom, just like that, you are caught. You must understand that you can't call something your vision if you aren't the one that thought it out. And this is exactly what I'm trying to say with this, because according to him, Next Gen Millionaires was almost now the idea of his consumers that is following him for a while. So that is him executing on their vision. And through doing that, they actually found, hey, here's a little community that I can come back to every time and pull from whenever I need to. And guys, one thing that we have always learned in this industry is that the scams that pull in the biggest money is always posed as the most helpful mechanism known to man since sliced bread. So we've taken index of the FSP search where evidently nothing pops up in his name. Keep in mind, we have over 22,000 FSPs on file. So if his name was in here somewhere, it most definitely would have popped up. We have also revisited the warning that the FSCA put out against Leadership Montla. Having taken that into consideration, it is a hard no from me. I am not going to expect anything good from a company that is born from an idea that sprang up in someone's head overnight from a vision that wasn't even his, by the way. This video was not uploaded with a purpose to make leadership look bad or to dissuade you from joining whatever initiative he had going on. This video was just to show you guys why I wouldn't trust Next Gen Millionaires or Next Gen Markets, and also why I believe an idea that has sprung into your head overnight from the vision of someone else, why that is also not such a good idea, because you are not acting out of your own volition. You are acting out of the dreams and thoughts of someone else. So what I'm going to advise you guys to do is keep an eye out on the media for more news regarding this new initiative of his. And then secondly, always do your research, not just about him, because I can guarantee you he's just the face, but the people behind the face as well. Because very often the people behind the face of the business, once you find out who they are, you will most definitely know what this business is here for and how things are gonna go down. I don't know when this broker of leadership is gonna launch. Platform, because he must now wanna call it a broker. I don't know when it is gonna launch, but when it does, I'm most definitely gonna come and tell you guys. Otherwise, if you enjoyed today's breakdown, please do smash that like button, leave a comment, share this, and if you haven't yet, please do subscribe. Hit that bell notification icon so that you can be notified when I release new content. I'll see you guys in my next video. Cheers. IFX Brokers offers a wide variety of trading account types designed to meet the needs of all types of traders. From the standard account for the beginners to premium accounts with tighter spreads, all the way to VIP and Islamic accounts for a more specialized trading journey. IFX Brokers provides the flexibility and tools that you need to trade with confidence. To get started, click the link in my description, choose an account type that suits your needs, make a deposit, and start trading. It's that simple. Once again, thank you to IFX Brokers for sponsoring today's video. And always remember, trading involves risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Always trade responsibly.